That's no moon. Hello everyone, it's Mike Levin, SEO from Inwood, Manhattan, and today I am going to further refine the Linux virtual machine for learning Linux and Python on, and which will be the distribution platform for a free and open source SEO and social media set of tools. So anyway, I'm going to clean up my desktop real quick. I used to use PuTTY all the time, but now I use MSys. So I'm going to open my computer and just drop that putty.exe into my program files, because PuTTY is nice to have around, but I don't really need it on my desktop anymore. Now MSys Home pops me into the simulated Unix home directory when you're using MSys. Similar to Cygwin, it's just a Unixy convention to have a home directory like that. Windows actually has its equivalent, but they can't be the same location because of the nature of the different files that go in there. Here's my shortcut to the MSys shell here, and it's the same location. If I were to ls, you'd see the same two directories here as here. So what I'm interested in doing right now is renaming something from the server directory. This python.sh should become pipulate.sh. Now the thing is, when you rename something in a Git repository, it's much better to do it through Git. So cd, let's see, ls cd Linux, ls cd reset, cd server, ls cd ingredients, ls git move python.sh to pipulate.sh. Git status. You can see it happened over here as well. This tells me it got renamed, and now that gets referred to from recipe. So if I go back up here, one directory up, cd ... ls vim recipe, no more notepad, search for python.sh. There it is. Shift R for replace in place. Pipulate dot escape. Shift I, not Shift I didn't do that. Just escape. Shift I. Pipulate dot sh. I'm going to have to work on my Vim configuration a little bit. The arrow keys are getting a little bit messed up. I'll probably need to put my my .vimrc file here. This is a brand new Vim installation for me that I just did from the MinGW installer. But anyway, I renamed it there. I'm going to make sure there's no further occurrences of it. Oh yeah, okay, pipulate. Oh, and I really need to do that same solution to strip carriage returns out of it. So Shift R, pipulate dot escape I dot sh escape x. Yeah, I'll need my vimrc file on here pretty soon, but still you can see I can get around in the default Vim install and a default VI install, which is part of the wisdom of going the VI and Vim route. You can always edit text files no matter where you sit down, except for Windows machines, which is like the only thing that's not standard these days. So what I do is the one I'm going to drop here is going to be without an E. One letter from being complete. And then I'm going to take that same TR solution, so search TR, there it is right there, yank, yank, go up to this line, Shift P, whoops, P for paste below. I did a paste above. Sudo tr, the location without the final letter is, let's see, I for insert mode. Home /tc/ pipulat.sh. Okay. And escape. XXXXXXXXX. Shift A. Slash, I already have the slash home. /tc/ pipulate.sh. And then sudo remove /home /pipulat.sh. Now the file is renamed and it's all moved into location correctly, but there is also a menu that's being used here. So I hit escape and I hit N for next. Well, that's the next occasion of tr. I want to find Python again, python.sh. Let's see, is the menu done down here? No, the menu is RC local and we're inside of recipe. So I did everything I need to do inside of recipe. Quit, clear, git status. Okay, so it sees that I modified recipe, but now I need to modify the RC local that's out here at this level too. And that is, if I do an ls, cd ingredients, vim rc.local /python.sh. There it is right there. Shift R, pipulate.sh. Escape colon right. Next. Only the one occurrence. Escape colon. Okay. Git status. Okay, those two files were modified. Yeah. Yep, that looks correct. Git. Before I do a git commit, I am going to try actually executing this. And I will go so far as to select the menu item for doing the Python build, which will tell me if I got all this file name renaming right, because it'll be executing pipulate.sh instead of python.sh. Let's see if there's anything to talk about while this build occurs, or else I'll just cut this out and zip forward to the end. For anyone joining in late, Linux, this remixing of Tiny Core Linux with QEMU is designed to run with a double click from the desktop of a Windows or a Macintosh machine, and I'll soon get other Linux platforms back into that list. Because while I'm working on it right now, I took it out for the sake of simplicity, so this is for Windows and Mac users. It gets distributed as a tiny little 20 megabyte install, or 20 megabyte zip file. There is no install. You extract the zip file, you double click it, and on the initial run it goes through this step. Can't remove something. Okay, I got something wrong in there. I saw it run by. But let's see if the destination file worked. Build pipulate, option 4, enter. And it's executing. I don't need to let the whole build occur. I just need to figure out what that thing it was trying to remove that it couldn't is. And I'm sure I just got a path wrong. But nonetheless, this was a great success, and I think I'll wrap the video up there. Thanks for joining me. Hope to talk to you soon, and don't forget to subscribe.